we have 4 rotator cuff muscles. We can see 3 in this view, and I have to turn it around for the other one. So we have the supraspinatus, meaning above the spine. And what spine are we talking about? Above the spine of the scapula. Okay, so supraspinatus. Underneath the spine of the scapula, we're going to have the infraspinatus. The infraspinatus. This muscle is the Teres Minor. The Teres Minor. Okay. So the 4th and final rotator cuff muscle is here. It is underneath or deep to the scapula. For that reason, this is called the subscapularis. The subscapularis. And this muscle here, it's not one of the rotator cuff muscles. You do need to know it, though. This is the Teres Major. The Teres Major muscle. Teres Major. This muscle here is the deltoid. The deltoid. It's called the deltoid because it looks like a delta, the Greek letter delta, or a triangle. Okay. This one, and this one. It's 22A, 22B, and 22C. So these 3 are the triceps. Triceps means 3, seps means headed, so this is a 3-headed muscle. In this view, you can see the deltoid a lot better, the deltoid. And the deltoid is going to point to this structure right here, which is the brachialis. This is the brachialis. The brachialis. Okay. Deltoid. Here's the subscapularis. All of this here. Subscapularis. The biceps brachii muscles are here and here. Biceps brachii. Here I see 2 of the triceps brachii muscles again. So we've gone full circle there. Okay. So this is that biceps brachii, right? This would be the antecubital region. First off is this short muscle right here. Okay, this is the Pronator Teres. Okay, supination is palms up, pronation is palms down. This is one of the muscles that allows that pronation to occur. Pronator Teres. Pronator Teres. Next to the Pronator Teres, I have this muscle. So let's go ahead and see where this muscle goes. So I'm going to follow this muscle. There's the tendon. And if I follow this tendon, it's going straight to the thumb. Do you see that? It is on the anterior side. So it's going to be a flexor. It's going to flex the wrist. So that means this is going to be the flexor carpi radialis. Flexor carpi radialis. Let's look at the muscle that's just next to that. Let's follow the tendon down. Now this time, hopefully you can see the tendon's going to go straight here. It's going directly to the palm this time. So that means this is the palmaris longus. Palmaris longus. So this is the flexor digitorum superficialis. Flexor digitorum superficialis. Here's a better view maybe of that palmaris longus. Okay, palmaris longus. I can see that one goes to the thumb, so that's flexor carpi radialis. All right, let's continue. And we have this muscle here. And if I follow this muscle, I see it's going to lead to the pinky. It lies on the anterior side. So this is going to be a flexor carpi ulnaris. Flexor carpi ulnaris. Okay. Here at 46, I'm going to follow this one down, and I see that this tendon leads to the pinky. It's an extensor because it's on the posterior portion of the forearm. This is going to be the extensor carpi ulnaris. Extensor carpi ulnaris. 45 is the extensor digitorum. When I point at this one, what I'm looking for is the extensor digitorum. This is my favorite muscle, like I said. If I follow this tendon, I can see, oh, it's going to go to my favorite finger. All right, it also goes to the ring finger too. The brachioradialis. So, brachioradialis. So if you look at the antecubital region, which is right here, I've got basically two muscles that are kind of coming together here. The shorter one is that Pronator Teres. This one is going to be that brachioradialis. Brachioradialis. Okay. Now if I go a little bit more posterior here, then I've got these two muscles here. This one, 42, and sorry I didn't have any classes on. So at number 42, this is going to be the extensor carpi radialis longus. 42, extensor carpi radialis longus. And this one at 43 is the extensor carpi radialis brevis. Okay, so brachioradialis here at 27. Extensor carpi radialis longus at 42. 43, extensor carpi radialis brevis.